Hello my dear children, welcome to your maths class. Today we will learn the topic that is time. This is only half part of this chapter, only half part. So let us understand. Children, you can see the two skies. One is a day sky and one is a night sky. At daytime, when you see the sun shining in the sky, the light is bright. Yes, you can see the sky, it is bright blue color. Sometimes it may look little yellowish, little reddish, yes, but this is the daytime when you can see the sun in the sky. And the next one, this side, it is a night sky. Children, what do you see at night when you look in the sky? Look up high and you will notice that you will see a moon and stars at night. So this is the basic day and night concept. You should know. Next, see, according to the movement of the sun, we also know the different times. Like sun, when it rises, it is morning. When it goes above our head, in the center position, it is afternoon. When the sun sets in the evening, it's going down, sets, it's evening time. And at night the sun is not visible, you can see a moon, it's a night sky. So this is how the time happens to be with the movement of the sun. One more thing, at night it is not that sun goes anywhere, sun is there but it's not shining. It's night sky, sun is hidden somewhere. Let us begin with the morning. What do you do in the morning? Firstly, we wake up. Next, we brush our teeth. Then we have shower, we bath. Yes. Next, after finishing, we have our breakfast. Oh my god, the spelling of breakfast in this picture is not correct. Children, I hope you know the spelling of breakfast. Breakfast is the meal that you have in the morning. Then in normal time, now in COVID it is different, otherwise we get ready and go to school. During COVID, what do you see? You get ready and you sit for your online class. We say good morning to greet everyone in the morning. Whomever you meet in the morning, you should always say good morning. Afternoon. You can see the position of the sun. At noon, the sun is above our head. We eat lunch in the afternoon. Lunch is the meal that you eat in the daytime. We say good afternoon to greet everyone in the afternoon. Whomever you meet in the afternoon, you should say good afternoon. Next is evening. You can see the sun is going down. Good evening. We say good evening to greet everyone in the evening. Anyone whom you meet in the evening, you have to greet them by saying good evening. Children, what do we do in the evening time? We play outside. We go to the park and we play outside. If not park, at least in your garden, in your neighborhood, anywhere. Also, some of you must be going for riding a cycle. This COVID has left us in the middle, otherwise we have many activities to do. Also, we do our homework in the evening time. Whatever homework is been given, we do in the evening. Night sky. Children, you can see what is this round shaped thing? This is a moon, and these small ones are the stars. Very good. We can see the moon and stars in the night sky. in the sky at night. We eat dinner at night. Children, the meal that we eat at night is dinner. We go to bed and sleep at night. Yes, we sleep at night and wake up in the morning. You see how good this child is? We say good night before we go to sleep. The next part of this chapter is there are 7 days in a week. Children, do you know how many days are there in the week? There are 7 days in a week. Can you name them? Let us see if you are naming it correctly. You also start with me. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Thursday. Friday, Friday. Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. Sunday. I am very happy. I hope every one of you have said the correct spellings of the names of the week. How many months are there in a year, children? There are 12 months in a year. First month is January, second is February, third is March, fourth is April, fifth is May, sixth is June, seventh is July, eighth is August, ninth is September, 10th is October, 11th is November, and the 12th month is December. This is a work for you, children. If you know all the spellings, it is very good. If not, please learn the spellings. January, January. February, February. March, it's March. April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, it's December. Children, please learn the correct spelling and pronunciation of the days of the week and also the 12 months of the year. Watch this video again if you have not understood anything. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. God bless you all. Have a good day.